In this video, we are discussing CRC program, that is with error, without error. Here concept is that sender will send informations to receiver. During transmission, some of the message will be damaged. So here, using this programming technique, receiver come to know your transmitted message is with error or without error. So we are using CRC coding. Here in this CRC programming, it is using some mathematical concept, and we are writing this mathematical concept with respect to C programming. We will see what is that. So here we have the generator, that is of g of x. This generator will be present at both the transmitter and receiver end. This generator is used by the receiver to check whether your message is with error or without error. Let us consider that they have given the generator in the form of polynomial, that is x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. How I can write down that? X raised to 4, that is 1. X raised to 3 is absent here, so I can write down 0. Next, x raised to 2 is also absent here in this generator polynomial, so I can write down 0. X raised to 1 will be of 1, and x raised to 0 is 1. So your generator bit is what? 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Next we have m of x. M of x means your message, what you are transmitting. What is your message? 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And here degree of polynomial is of 4. Here for this generator, polynomial is 4. So because of this, for your message you have to add 4 zeros, because this generator polynomial degree is 4. So here what you do, you will take this message with this degree zeros what you have added, and you will divide this one with your generator 10011. Here I will do XOR operation, or I can do this one as a mod 2 subtraction. Here you can see how I have done this. 10011, that is multiplied with 1, so you will get 10011. You have returned it. So for this one, upper side you have 11010, and here you are doing this XOR operation with 10011. So XOR means what? If both these two bits are different, then you will write this one as a 1. If both these two bits are same, means you will write down this one as a 0. So after doing XOR operation of these two numbers, you will get 10011. 1. Next you will take another 1. Next you will divide this, you will multiply 10011 with 1, so you will get 10011. You will do XOR operation of this number with this one. Next you will take 1. Obviously you can't do division with this, so you need to multiply this 10011 with 0. Next take another 1. Next take another 1, till your number length becomes equal to this number length. Here this is of length of 5. Here this should be also of length of 5. So it is of 10011. So after doing XOR operation here, next 1, after at this upper side you can observe that 110000. After this 1 you can do that 1, do XOR operation once again, do XOR operation. Fine. At the end you can observe that remainder will get 0. Fine. You will get remainder as 0. And here remainder that is remaining is 10. Fine. You need to add this remainder 10 to your this data what you have divided here. For this data you have to add this one 1 0. You need to do XOR operation. So here after this one whatever data you will get here, this is the transmitted data. Actually here original message will be of this one. Here we have shown original message is of this one. For this original message we have added CRC code. You will get CRC code after XOR division operation. So next let us consider that at the receiver side what this receiver do. This receiver takes transmitted data Tx, that is divided by G of X. Fine. We will do that same operation. Transmitted data is this one. Transmitted data is what your original information with CRC code. You will do this operation, division operation, same as that of previous division operation what you have done. After this one, at the end you should observe that remainder will be 0. After doing this division operation at the receiver side, this operation will be performed at the receiver side. Then you will get remainder as a 0. So if remainder is 0, then no error. If remainder is other than 0, then you will get the error. Fine. Here for your transmitted data Tx, if you transmit any other data apart from this one, then you will be having error. If you transmit the same data, then your message is of error free. So here I need to write down the program. In this program what it need to ask. Here we can observe that it need to ask enter the length of data frame. It will ask this. Enter the message. You will enter your message. Next, after doing this division operation what we have seen, after this one data to be transmitted, that one you can observe. Next, enter the received data. It will ask the user to enter the received data. If you enter this received data as same as that of transmitted data, then this is of error free. If you enter this one with a different value, means it is of error. So here I have entered the same received data as that of transmitted data, you can observe. So because of this, receiver do the division with respect to generator polynomial. After that you will get remainder as a 0. So it is of error free. Data is of error free. Fine. We need to write down C program in order to ask all these operations and in order to do this XOR division operation here. We have done this one with respect to mathematical C programming. Here we have defined the variable a of 100, b of 100, I, j, length, k, count. Here I have given the generator polynomial with a degree 16. Instead of this one, you can write down any degree, or you can give any of the generator polynomial which one you want to enter. According to this generator polynomial, they have written g of p values. Next, enter the length of data frame. Here what is the data frame you have, enter the length. Next, enter the message, that one will be stored in a of I. Next, according to degree 16, that will add 1602 to your message. After doing all these operations, it will ask you to enter received data. You will enter that one. You will do the division operation. If it is of error free, then it will display the message error. It is of error free. If you are having error in the message, it will display error in the received data. This is the CRC programming. In next class we will see with the next programming concept.